Hello students, welcome to Teja Online Tutorials. This video on Grade 8, Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Crop and its types, Basic practice of crop production, in which we are going to discuss about soil preparation, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, traditional and modern methods of irrigation, protection against weeds, harvesting, storage, and food from animals, nothing but animal husbandry. Now let us go for introduction of the topic. In previous classes, you have learned nutrition in plants and animals. Okay students, do you know how does the plant prepare their own food? The plant prepare their own food by a process of photosynthesis. Is it right children? Yes. So what does the food contain? Why do the animals need food? If the plants prepare their own food, what we call them? The plants prepare their own food by a process of photosynthesis. We are calling them, they are autotrophs. And that produced food is going to be taken by the animals. So animals are called as heterotrophs. So what does the food contain? The food contains nutrients. So they are mainly helpful for the growth and development of the body. Let us now discuss about how the production of food has been started. Before we go in detail about production of food, we should know how this agriculture has been evolved. So let us go for the history of agriculture children. Till 10,000 BC, the people were nomadic. It means they doesn't know anything. The early man lives in caves where he used to he used to kill the animals in search of food. They wandered from one place to another place for searching of food, and they used to make the uh, tools to kill the animals for the food by using the stones and bones. And he is a early man is a keen observer, so they observed fruits, flowers, and also growing of seeds and started cultivating. Thus, the agriculture was born. So, what is agriculture, children? It means it is a practice of farming including cultivation of soil for the growing of crops. So, have you understood, children, what is agriculture? It means the cultivation of soil for the growing of crops is called agriculture. This is how the agriculture was developed. After the evolution of agriculture, the India is most populated country. So in order to provide food in a large number to reach all the population, a regular production and a proper management and proper distribution of food is necessary. So that we have to learn, we are going to learn in this chapter how the crop production is taken place, what are the steps are there for the production of the crops, and how we are going to manage the crop production, that we are going to learn in this chapter. So first of all, we are going to learn now topic about what is a crop and its types. What is a crop, children? It means plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place in a large scale area. So children, here plants of same kind, it means only we have to choose only one type of crop. For example, if a person is growing paddy in a large scale area, it means it in a large scale area more crops are growing in a large scale area of same type of crop, that is called as a crop. That is same type of plants when he is growing in a large scale area, that is called as crop. Same type of plants means, for example, if a person is choosing paddy, that paddy plants has to be grown in a larger scale area, then only it is called as a crop. So what are the types of crops are there, children? Basically, the types of crops are divided on the basis of season in which they grow. So here, children, the there are different types of crops are there. Those crops are divided, they are grown on the basis of season. Now, some here in our India, there are different states are there. So in different states, different types of crops are grown. It means it is on the basis of the availability of the climate in that countries, and different states will grow different types of crops. It is based on the um, climatic conditions and the availability of water, and based on the humidity, temperature. So these are the important conditions to choose the crop to grow in a particular region. So basically there are two types of crops are there. They are Rabi crops and Kharif crops. What are Rabi crops, children? The crops grown in winter season. These are the crops which grown in winter season are called Rabi crops. What is the time period? The time period between the October to March. So the crops which are sown in October, and the farmer has to harvest the crop before the in the month of March. So this is called Rabi crops. Examples: wheat, gram, mustard, and pea, etc. Here in the picture you see this is the wheat, pea, and mustards are there. Then what are Kharif crops, children? The crops grown in rainy season. Crops grown in rainy season. What is the time period of these crops? The time period between June to September. It means the farmers sown the crop in the June and harvest in September. Examples of the Kharif crops are paddy, maize, groundnut, and cotton, etc. Here in the picture, once you see the picture, children, here is a paddy, means rice. Here corn, soya bean, sugar cane, groundnut, and cotton. So why these crops are sown only in the rainy season means these kharif crops are sown only in the rainy season. Why? Because these are the crops the farmer chooses only when the availability of water is more. So during the rainy season, there are plenty of water is there at that time. Rainy season, the name itself only there. In that season, the rains, there are so many rains will so many rains that we will get at that time. The farmer chooses these are the crops for sowing. The Rabi crops means the Rabi crops are grown in winter season. So the wheat, gram, mustard, and peas, these are the crops. They do not require much amount of water. so that the farmer chooses to sow in the winter season. So that is the dependence on the farmer will choose the different types of crops on based on the availability of water and non-availability of water. So these are the two types of different types of crops.